My first takeaway from Networking Field Day 39 is that root cause analysis is one of the most concrete use cases for agentic AI solutions in networking. Not only does AI enhance the speed with which engineers can find the real causes behind issues, but also evidence-driven guidance offered by the agents means that you always have the backup data for your conclusions. Agentic AI can also fully automate remediation workflows to ensure that problems are resolved as quickly as possible. Root cause analysis is something that has always been a struggle for people in the networking space because we never quite understand all of the underlying issues, and we tend to solve the symptoms rather than the problem. We hope that if we solve enough of those symptoms quickly, that we can accidentally solve the actual problem. And as is often said, there's nothing more permanent in IT than a temporary solution, which is often what causes these larger systemic issues, is a temporary patch for a smaller problem that then escalates out of control. You need to have some kind of a visibility into your entire network to pull together all of those pieces and give you the body of knowledge necessary to ensure that you're solving those problems. This was illustrated perfectly by our friends at Nokia because they have a platform called Event-Driven Automation, or EDA, that showed this off very well in the demonstrations at Networking Field Day. You can use natural language to query the database to understand what's going on. You can tell it to look for things that might not seem right. And you can configure notifications and triggers to let you know if something falls outside of those parameters so you can start working on it immediately. It's the kind of knowledge base that really helps turn junior network administrators into more senior people and senior people into the kind of sages that we come to rely on in the industry to make sure that we're resolving these issues as quickly as possible.